Ladies and gentlemen, it's the 28th of June. We've had 15 weeks of solid distance learning. It's the last 5 days. We've made it. Wow. I didn't think we were ever going to see this week, but we've made it. You've made it. And you've made it an enjoyable experience because of your hard work. And I genuinely mean that your support, everything that you have done, you have adapted exceptionally well. You've molded to a new way of learning, and I can't commend students, teachers, parents enough for all the support you have provided us. It has been truly commendable. Um, so well done. We're nearly there. 5 days left. Right, last week the KHDA had provided us with guidelines about how we should be opening the school in September, and it's mainly to do with safety. We are very confident with all the guidelines that were put out. We're able to offer opportunities for all of our students to come back into school in a very safe and spacious manner. We've already had thermal cameras set up to help and support. The school has been completely disinfected. We are very much looking forward to welcoming all of our students back. Also, last week we had our diagnostic assessments. Thank you very much, students, for completing those. I know some of you still have a couple of those this week that you need to finalize and finish. So good luck with those, but thank you and well done to all of you. The results will hopefully come out by the middle of this week as well, and we'll hopefully share those with you. So this week on Tuesday morning, 7:45, we'll have our Semester 2 Achievement Assembly. That is to recognize and praise so many of you who have been working hard. And again, that's at the same location, CAS Secondary, all students in Microsoft Teams. And this Thursday is the last day of school. Yes, you have made it. Your report cards will be issued then. Teachers, that is your last day of school. I know many of you are looking forward to that day as well. Administrators ourselves, we will be here until I can't even speak anymore, until the 7th of July. Feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help you even thereafter. Just send us an email and we're here to help. Summer learning, we have been putting together a little summer learning package for all students, just to make sure that you are still keeping your brains engaged, and you're keeping your feet wet. You're still dipping your toes in the water there, and you're still firing neurons from left to right side of the brain. But that will come out by the middle of the week, so you will see that. One of the things I would highly encourage all students is to keep reading, keep expanding your vocabulary, keep learning new words. That is exceptionally important. Okay. The IVEI survey, Intervention survey that was sent out, 45 parents responded back to this survey. And I have to say, we are so impressed, so pleased with the responses that have come back. Here's the results there. I know you can't see those as exceptionally small, but question one, I'm just going to pull out one of them. That question was, given the circumstances, are you satisfied with your child's distance learning experience so far? And this is fantastic. 96% of you said yes, 4% of you said no. But again, the results overall are very, very pleasing. So thank you so much for all of your support. Thank you, students, for your hard work. Thank you, teachers, for the amount of planning and preparation that you have put into place. And hopefully we can share with you our distance learning evaluation from the KHDA once we get final approval. Also last week we sent out the Collegiate American School calendar for the new academic school year. We will be starting back on the 31st of August. New students will return back on the 30th, but that is the date there. So please have a look at that when you do get a chance. This week, as I mentioned, it's all about having fun. So your teachers, I know, have been planning lots of different fun activities, whether it be Pictionary, X, Y, and Z, yada, yada, yada. Even if it is just you guys, even probably just talking to each other, put your screens on, have a good chat with them. Maybe the teacher just goes and comes back, and actually you just have a good catch up on Microsoft Teams. There's lots of things that will be planned to keep you engaged. I will be sending a couple of cheeky things as well, but as it says here, bring on the fun factor. We're nearly there, people. Summer is almost here. 5 whole days to go. Keep going. We're nearly there. Keep up the hard work. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You've all done exceptionally well. Have a fantastic last week of learning at Collegiate American School. All the best. Thank you.